Chemistry is all around us. One of the most important things to know about chemistry is that not all its products are equal. It may sound obvious, but it is actually extremely important. Specialty Chemicals Larderello is uniquely focused on these value-added solutions and on extremely specific formulations designed for high-tech applications. Just like pharma and personal care, where products come into direct contact with the body. Here, safety needs to be 100% guaranteed. Let's take, for instance, solutions for contact lenses. Their formulation requires extreme precision. One of the most crucial parameters to be monitored is pH. Boric acid and sodium borate are the most effective buffers used to keep this parameter stable. In addition to these buffers, the use of sequestering chemical agents is required to preserve the quality of the lenses over time. In this kind of key niche application, specialty chemicals are not just ingredients, they actually make the difference. At Specialty Chemicals Larderello, the entire production process is constantly monitored to ensure certified traceability to all our solutions. Thanks to our worldwide presence spread over 5 continents with production sites, advanced R&D labs, sales offices, warehouses, and a widespread distribution network, we are able to serve the global market. Our service is 100% customer-oriented, and our production is extremely flexible in order to provide tailor-made solutions to our customers. All these aspects make Specialty Chemicals Larderello a very reliable long-term partner, both for large and small companies all around the world for whom quality is an essential competitive value.